Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. The 2nd of July was observed as World Biryani Day, and to celebrate this, Daawat has come out with a biryani kit. Using this kit, you can make biryani in just 30 minutes. You need not worry about searching for the different various spices which go into making biryani and making the spice paste and all that. Everything is readily available here. Here we have a pack of some whole spices in it. This is the authentic biryani paste. This is the Raita seasoning pack, the Raita which goes as a combo for the biryani. Apart from that, we have basmati rice from Daawat. Also, you have an instruction card on how to make this biryani, very simple and easy to follow. You have 3 variants in this. You have the Hyderabadi biryani, Lucknowi biryani and the Kolkata biryani too. Today, of course, we will be making the vegetable biryani. First, we will make this raita because we can keep it in the fridge to chill. Here I have about 300 grams of homemade dahi or curd. Whisk it well till it is nice and smooth. Now I am adding this Raita Masala which is in the packet to this curd, whisked curd, and mix it very well. I will keep this in the fridge to be chilled. Here I have 300 grams of vegetables to be used in my biryani. I have cauliflower, carrot, beans and some green peas. I have washed and chopped it and kept it ready. Also I have chopped some mint leaves and also some coriander leaves fresh and kept it ready. Here I have taken 2 medium onions and sliced them and kept this also ready. First we will heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan and fry the sliced onions till they are nice and brown. When the onions turn a lovely crispy brown color like this, we can switch it off and drain it out onto a plate. See, our onions are ready. Next step, for cooking the rice, we will boil 1 liter of water. I will take out this long grain Daawat basmati rice, wash it and bring it back. To this boiling water, you can add these whole spices which is given in the pack. You have bay leaf, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves and some whole black pepper too. Add a tablespoon of oil to this and salt. See, the water is boiling now. Now we will add in this washed Daawat basmati rice. Allow the rice to cook for 6 to 7 minutes till it is about 70% done. See, the rice is now about 70% cooked, lovely long grains of rice. We will switch this off and drain out the water. We will keep this aside and next make the gravy. For making the gravy, take about 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add the chopped vegetables to it. And saute the vegetables for a couple of minutes. After a few minutes, add this Daawat authentic biryani paste to it. And then again saute everything together for another couple of minutes. Next, add in about 150 ml of water to this and continue cooking till the oil separates. So our rice has also been drained out and ready. The gravy is also ready. You can see the oil separated on top, and allow it to have a little bit liquid in it. Don't make it too dry. The vegetables are cooked and the gravy of perfect consistency. Now I will switch this off. Now we have to just layer this biryani and cook it on dum, that is on low heat for about 7 to 8 minutes. Today I am using this typical clay handi to give the authentic biryani feel. So first we layer it. First I am adding in a layer of this gravy. Next we will top it with a layer of this lovely basmati rice. Top this with some of this fried onions which we had done right at the beginning. Finely chopped mint leaves and some finely chopped coriander leaves. Now repeat the process again. Layer some gravy on top of it. Layer this cooked Daawat basmati rice. Top it up with this fried onions, a few mint leaves and few coriander leaves on top. Now we can cover it. You can see I have kept it on top of my tawa and kept the heat very low. Additionally, we seal it with some wheat flour dough, that is atta, like this, so that there is no gap. Now on low heat we will cook it for about 8 to 10 minutes. Our raita is now chilled and ready to be served. It is about 10 minutes now. We can switch it off. Now we are ready to serve our steaming hot biryani. See, perfectly done, steaming hot, authentic Hyderabadi biryani, vegetarian. Serve it along with this raita and you have a perfect veg biryani Hyderabadi style ready for you. Now we are ready to enjoy this aromatic, absolutely flavorful Hyderabadi veg biryani, which is now ready using this Daawat BiryaniKit. If you don't have this clay handi, don't worry, use any heavy bottom kadai with a tight fitting lid and cook it on dum, which essentially means cooking it on a very low flame. And this is a lovely and easy way to enjoy authentic Hyderabadi biryani vegetarian style using this Daawat BiryaniKit. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to Geeta's Kitchen and we'll meet again with another interesting episode from Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.